Investing in bulk inventory before testing can be a costly mistake. What if you could launch a product without risking thousands of dollars upfront? Hey, I'm Mark from Speedfulfill, and if you're thinking about launching a product, you need to know one thing. Jumping straight into bulk inventory can be a costly mistake. What if you could test before you could invest? That's where Speedfulfill comes in. We help you validate products before making a big commitment. The problem is the risk of inventory-based selling is you find a viral product, invest in bulk inventory, and no sales, no profit. Just dead stock. A solution is validation of this product on the dropshipping market. With dropshipping, you can validate demand before committing to that inventory. So here's how it works. Step 1. Test new products. Instead of ordering thousands of units upfront, list potential products on your store and start selling. Use best marketing strategy and measure real customer engagement if it gains traction. You know it's worth scaling. If not, you move on without any financial loss. Step 2, hassle-free fulfillment. Once a customer orders, Speedfulfill takes care of everything from sourcing to packing to shipping. No need to store your inventory. No packing required. This lets you focus on growing your business while we handle the logistics. Step 3, customize your brand. You want your brand to have a unique experience. We at Speedfulfill help you add your logo, design, and standout packaging and make your brand unforgettable. Turn your dropshipping product into a real business. Step 4, scale without stress. Once you have a proven winner, transitioning to inventory-based selling is super easy. We can help you manage bulk orders with warehousing and fast shipping, ensuring you keep up with growing demand while maximizing profits. No more guesswork, just smart, scalable growth. So why take unnecessary risks? Test before you invest. Click on the link to start scaling, and this is something that I hope you guys find helpful. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.